Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Are you looking for a can opener that is safe, effective, and small enough to fit into any utility drawer? Then look no further than this amazing can opener from Hystrada. I've tried this can opener on cans of every size and shape, and it works perfect on all of them. What I love the most about this is that even though it's a can opener, it's safe. It's safe enough for my kids to use it. It doesn't have any sharp edges or anything that can cut you, and I love that. It was super easy to get started. You simply cut these out of the package, install your batteries, and snap it back together, and then you're ready to go with any can that you need to open. I love that it's small and compact and can fit in any drawer, and it frees up counter space from when I had an electric can opener that just sat on the counter unused most of the time. They come in cute and vibrant colors so that you can find one that matches your kitchen decor. So if you're looking for a safe and compact can opener, then look no further than these beautiful can openers from Hystrada.
And that's my point of view.